In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search pages in Confluence. If you've ever felt buried under a mountain of pages, this walkthrough will help you find exactly what you need, fast. Let's start with the easiest method, the global search bar. From your Confluence dashboard, look to the top center and click the search bar. Begin typing a keyword or phrase related to the page you want. As you type, Confluence immediately suggests matching pages, blog posts, and even attachments. If you remember part of the page title or a distinctive term used on the page, type that first to surface the most relevant results right away. Once you see initial results, it's time to narrow them down with filters. In the results view, click Filters to focus your search. You can filter by space to limit results to a specific workspace, by author to find content created by a particular teammate, by date to target recently created or updated items, and by content type to toggle between pages, blog posts, and attachments. Use these together to cut through noise. For example, filter to a project space, then choose pages, and set date to the last 30 days for fresh, focused results. By the way, I've placed the official Confluence link at the top of the description so you can access it in your browser, and you'll also find download options there if you prefer using the app. When you need even more precision, press Enter after typing your keyword to open the full results page, then select Advanced Search. Here, you can combine multiple filters for tighter control, which is especially helpful in large organizations where similar page titles are common. Take a moment to refine before clicking into anything. It often saves more time than hopping in and out of the wrong pages. If speed is your priority, try the keyboard shortcut. Press the / key on your keyboard to pop open the search bar instantly. No mouse needed. This is the quickest way to jump into search, perfect for power users who live in Confluence all day. Just make sure your cursor isn't already inside a text field before pressing it. Finally, if you're already on a page and want to find a specific word or phrase within it, use your browser's Find feature. Press Ctrl+F on Windows or CMD+F on Mac, then type the term you're looking for. Your browser will highlight each match and let you jump between them, which is great for scanning long documents. And that's the fastest way to search pages in Confluence. Using shortcuts and filters can help you find exactly what you need in seconds. Thanks for watching.